Start it again. Okay, Jay, let's go, boy.
Alright.
But you have to speak us through each one, huh?
Okay, this is how you guys do BBQ. Very simple. Here we go. First move. Take your cigarette on the floor, put the cigarette out.
Cigarette out, man.
But you have to make sure it's out. This place is very flammable. Alright. Now perhaps you might have crabs. Get rid of the crabs. But also still make sure your cigarette is going out. Now a guy the size of Keegan might try and attack you in a club. Make sure you defend yourself and kick him away. Get away from me, Keegan. Get away. Cigarette out, crabs, get away, Keegan. Get away. Alright. Oh my god, Walt Shuttleworth. Make sure he's there, make sure everyone notices. Alright, check it out. Crab. Chicken. Walt Shuttleworth. Grab yourself on the breast and show your man. Chicken.
All at once, boy.
Walt Shuttleworth. Cigarette. Who said that? Yeah, it was me. Walk on fire.